boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. This is best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much, my friends. As you know, on The Scoop, we go over your marijuana, your cannabis investments, my friend. I have some great news for you today. People have been asking me, Mickey D, when are you going to do your top 5? When are you going to do your top? When are you going to do a list for that we can use and stuff like everybody else is doing all these lists? My friends, the timing couldn't be better than it is today. I will have my top 5 marijuana stocks for you at under $5. And also, keeping with the fives, we're within 5 days to 10 days of something happening that happens every year. So let me tell you about that here in a second, my friends. But as you know, this is for your education, your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. I'm an author. I write books. I do deep research, and I put it in book form for you so you can pick it up at any library, anywhere in the world, any bookstore, anywhere in the world. If they don't have it, tell them to order it. You're a tax-paying. You have a card, a library card. Just tell them to order it for you. You want it, and they'll order it for you, my friends. Investing in medical and recreational cannabis, buying before, during, or after legalization. Or it's better here, my friends. The African Marijuana Gold Mine, Richmond on Soil Meets Wall Street is out there. Make money online with cannabis stocks. Excuse me. List over 40 stocks. Also have a strategy you can use in any market for the rest of your life, my friends. There's the Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium tomorrow. We're gonna do very well in that vanadium uranium market here coming up, friends. Companies you get into early, hold, and grow rich. This is a mini book. That list also has a gold section in the back. As you know, gold is exploding right now, my friends. The largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farms in the world. There's a lot out there right now, my friends, that we need to be aware of. That one, I don't show you that often. Investing at any age. Start early or catch a mega trend, my friends, is out there right now. It's a little family book. Also, how to start a marijuana investment club is out there. It's been a big seller. A lot of people have been wanting to know how to start a marijuana investment club, and I'm glad of that. That's very good. That's a very good read, my friends. As you know, that's what I do. I do research, and I do deep research, my friends. And like the information I'm getting ready to give you right now, you didn't get this information by just happen to run across it, my friends. This stuff is for you. I thank you very, very much braving through those little commercials and advertisements, patronizing the customers and all. T-shirts. I don't have a T-shirt on right now. I have something a little down for you. Not a little T-shirt, just a little shirt for you, my friends. Something a little different, my friends. But today is a special day. It's September 5th, 2019. Education, entertainment purposes only. Like I said, I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor, my friends. But if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that red button, subscribe. We'd love to have you on board here, rolling with us. We are at the start of something I believe is very big. This year, yeah, it's a little different. We didn't have a trade war last year. We didn't have a trade war 2017. We didn't have a trade war in 2016. But we expect some of the same things to happen right now, my friends. And it's, this is all marijuana sector, cannabis sector. It's all high risk, and it's all high rewards, my friends. You can go from grief to glory really, really fast. That's what happens in this business, my friends. You're high one day, you're low the next. But if this is to truly be a seasonal trade, and I have no reason to doubt that right now because it never has proven me wrong. In fact, early in the year, I was the one saying, hey, it's going to be different. But guess what, my friends? It's not. Things are just as they were the previous years. And I'm going to tell you exactly why I believe that, and exactly why I believe we're right on the verge of rally mode right now. I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna give you why. I'm just not gonna tell you we're gonna rally. I'm gonna tell you why we're gonna rally, my friends. And I have the top 5 stocks under $5 USD, my friends. I'm gonna give those to you. I have to have some parameters. At least $200 million market cap, mid cap type, at least. They have to be on one of the big boards in America. They have to be on the New York Stock Exchange. They have to be on the NASDAQ and stuff. That's just my own. You guys know I've gone from boom to a little more security, because I'm an OG, man. I've been here since inception. I've seen this movie before. I saw this movie during the dot-coms in the 90s when I was trading them. So I've seen this movie before, my friends, and it can end bad for some people. I don't know if you guys had a chance to see that special on CNBC, but you guys have already known. I've been on the yelling and screaming at the MedMen management there at the end. I don't know if you saw that part at the end. They're buying all this stuff and spending all this money like drunken sailors. Well, those days are over. But how do you get over that once it's already, how do you get your reputation back once everybody knows that you've been doing all this crap? And I told you months and months ago, I told you a year ago what they were doing. And it wasn't cool at all, buying the CEO going out, buying all this crap and all these cars and this and that and the other thing. It wasn't cool. Some of that stuff though, but if you get like the CEO from one of the companies said, if you get in the right stocks, you're going to do well. If you get in the right area, you're going to do well. You're going to make a lot of money, and that's where the scoop comes in. We've been there, my friends. We got Canopy early, under $3. We got Aurora under 50 cents. It was actually 38 cents when we started buying. I go to the conferences and I laugh and talk with these. We laugh about it. Met Cam, chopped it up with Cam. Cam. That's just after he left Canopy. He said, hey, met him at a conference. Mickey D, there was only, 15, 25 of us there in the conference. This is early on, my friends. Now you can't even get in the room with these guys without paying $600 or something crazy. That's why I'm your eyes and I'm your ears at these conferences, my friends. You want to go cross-country, go LA with me next couple weeks or so, I'll be out there. We'll do it. But I'm your eyes and ears, my friends. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you. I'm going to go over my 5 stocks that I believe right now, they're going to take advantage of this rally and they're going to do very, very well, my friends, because they have those parameters. Number 5, my friends. Number 5, the Alkaline Water Company. Now, WTER on the NASDAQ. Alkaline Water Company is getting its act together. I did a video a couple weeks ago of institutions piling into this stock. Take a look at that video. Institutions are piling into. I was talking about the Alkaline Water Company. Why are institutions piling into this stock? They're hand over fist. They're buying the Alkaline Water Company. Why? Maybe it's because they got Michael Irvin, number 88. Alkaline 88 water is in everywhere. Go to your local store. Go to anywhere. You'll see Alkaline 88 water. So they already have a chain to get their CBD water out, their hemp water, all that. You go to their website, man. They're already set up. They're just waiting to get the word from Congress. They're getting a little more clarification, and they're going to be big. They're only a $2 stock now, $2.05. Alkaline Water Company, number 5. Kushco Holdings, KSHB. They've applied for the NASDAQ, about $3.70. They've taken a beating, but they're one of the top 10, maybe top 5 revenue producers in America. They're making a lot of money. They're doing very well. They've added another division. They're getting ready to branch off in some areas I'm not quite 100% about. I'm going to have to talk to the company and find out exactly what is going on there with that particular company and them branching off to other areas like that. So I've got to straighten that out myself. I've got to get that mentally ready. But I did have them as number 4 because I think they will do well in this rally we're talking about. Number 3, InBev. New Age Beverage, NASDAQ, NBEV on the NASDAQ. I think they're at that Gateway conference here today or so. They'll be giving a little spill. Maybe they'll do some yesterday, today. They're Bob Marley brand. I'm waiting for Bob Marley to take off, man. This brand, Walmart and stuff, this brand is going to take off. I'm waiting for Bob Marley to take off with InBev. Second quarter net revenue growth, almost 400% this past quarter. So they're doing something right, man. They're about $3.15. I expect them to go much, much higher. Yeah, I believe at this point, Hong Kong is off the table. China is off the table with this trade war. They've got to make their move in America. InBev, do your thing in America. Get in every Walmart and do what you have to do. Bob Marley is a recognized brand. It's hot. Get it done, InBev. Number 3 is InBev. Number 2, Organigram, OGI, Organigram, NASDAQ. $4.50, $4.45 stock. It's a good stock. let's take Organigram as, let's take a look at Organigram. What's happened here in the last week? Organigram, 2016. Look at September 5th. 2017. Look at September 5th. 2018. Look at September 5th. Look at September 5th for Aurora. Look at September 5th for Canopy. Look at September 5th for Alfrea. You tell me, that's part of your homework, see, because I can't do it all. You know, me and my little staff, we can't do it all. But September 15th has been a special day. September 5th, I'm sorry. So not September 5th. September 5th, today, this week, today, September 5th, has been a special day because within 5 to 10 days, the major rally of the year has happened between 5 and 10 trading days of September 5th for 3 of the 4, no, I'm going to say the last 4 years. I would say 3 of the last 4, but the last 4 years. 2016, 2017, 2018, now we're talking about 2019. Let's see if I'm correct. Now, mark this one, hey, put this on your, share this and everything. I'm putting it out there. The rally, because the rally has started on this day, give 5 or 10 days. Give me a leeway now. Give me some leeway. I know last year they were on me. Mickey, you were a penny off on something. You were 2 pennies off. You can't be perfect all the time, my friends. I can't give you a day. But right now, maybe it was today. Who knows? We were up a little bit today. But last year, the year before, the year prior to that, we didn't have this, Chinese thing to deal with. The China trade war. China-U.S. trade war. We didn't have Trump in office making a lot of noise. We didn't have him spending money here like he's spending money like a drunken sailor here in America. But he's getting things done that he wants done. So he's the president, and that's the way it is, my friend. But OJI at Organigram, OGI at number 2, my friends. And just take a look at that. That's just a sample of the rally. The rally is we're in rally mode right now. We're on the verge of something big, my friends. Now, my number 1 stock, New York Stock Exchange, Hexo. Now, the Street.com has it as a sell. It's had a nice 30, 35%, 40% haircut there. So the correction on it has been overdone, I believe. It's like at 440, 445 or so range, 450 range or so. It's right in there. Only 50 cents away from that $5. But I expect it to go a lot higher. Can it get back up to the $8 range or so in this rally? I do not know, my friends. I do know that if you put the Alkaline Water Company, WTER, you put Kush, KSHB together with InBev and OGI, Organigram, and Hexo together, along with those 3 stocks that I told you the call options were cheap. I'm talking about, you just watch the video. Watch the video of a couple days ago. You're going to be a happy camper come holiday season, my friends. Just put those together. You're going to be a happy camper. Like I said, this is one for the ages, my friends. I'm going out there. Hey, this is all high risk. It's high reward. And I'm putting it out there right now. Those are, and people have been asking, the request has been, those are the top 5 stocks under $5 USD, my friends. Now, like I said, I put some parameters on there. They had to be on one of the major exchanges or had applied for one of the major exchanges. And they had to be $200 million, at least $200 million market cap. Those are my top 5. What are yours? Do you agree or disagree with any of those? My friends, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you. Hit the bell. A lot of you haven't hit the bell yet. My friends, I need you to hit that bell so you get these in a timely manner. Now, just because the market is closing right now, that doesn't mean that things aren't happening in the market right now. Things are happening. You need to get this the beginning so you'll be ready for tomorrow's opening. You'll be ready to take advantage of these if you desire, my friends. You get with your stockbroker, get with your money manager, and you guys decide, hey, these are the stocks that I want to look at, my friends. But that is 8, those 3, along with this 5, that's 8 stocks there, my friends, that I personally own or have owned in the past. Like I said, I do own those options that I got, and I do own a little bit. with each one of these that I mentioned today, because I think they're going to do well in the long run, my friends. With that said, I've been a little long-winded. I'll leave some links for you at the bottom. Thanks again for your support of the books. Thank you for your support of the t-shirts, my friends. God bless you. I love you. No one ever stays to the end of this, but anyway, here are the books anyway. Love you. Take care. Once again, I said I'll leave some links for you, and you take care of you and your family. Have a great, great day. If I don't contact you before the weekend, have a great, great weekend, my friends. I'll be babysitting. God bless you.